Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install our CT01 extrusion. So first you're going to want to cut out your channel in your drywall to ensure that the CT01 will fit inside of your channel. Next, you're going to want to drill a hole inside of the CT01. This is so that you can push the lead wire inside of the channel after you have finished installing your extrusion. From there, we're going to add our two end caps. So I already have one here where the hole is going to be at. My second one, we'll just slide it in. This is going to snap right into place. From here, what you're going to do, flip your CT over, grab your silicone and put a little bit on both sides. Alright, now that I have the silicone on there, all you need to do is grab your channel, put it into your cut. You are going to have access sticking out. With the access, all you're going to do, grab your flathead and just kind of scrape off of the access. You can do that with a flathead or you can use it with your hand. Once you have done so, what you're going to want to do is get a little bit of silicone and then just kind of go around the edges to kind of clean it up, make it nice and smooth and clean so you don't see any gaps from the extrusion part. Now that you have that done, you're going to take your lead wire and put it into your extrusion. And you're going to just push that all the way through. Alright. Now that our lead wire is through, you're going to peel back the 3M and then make sure that when you're adhering the tape to the extrusion that you have it completely centered. Be sure to tap gently inside the channel to make sure that the LED is adhered onto the aluminum for heat dissipation. Now you can go ahead and snap on your lens. And there you have it.